Hello everyone, I'm Daisy from Balloon Daisy Clown. We are continuing our sea animal series for beginners. We've already made a starfish and a fish, and today I'll show you step by step how to easily make an octopus. Let's go! You can find the link to my How to Tie a Balloon for Beginners video in the description below. Now let's make the tentacles. Decide on the size, twist the balloon, create a loop and twist again. Repeat this process to make 5 more tentacles. Then let the air out, tie a knot, create one last loop, and wrap the tail around the tentacles. Straighten them out and the tentacles are ready. Next, let's make the head. Inflate the 5-inch balloon, let a little air out and tie it. Attach the head to the tentacles by wrapping the knot around them. Now for the eyes. Inflate a white balloon. Tie it and make 2 pinch twists. Let the air out. Trim the excess. Tie it and wrap the tail around the tentacles as well. Use a permanent marker to draw the eyes and the suckers. Easy and simple, do it yourself. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Best wishes, Daisy. Bye.